Good morning. My name is Keith. This is BI as a business, where we solve your business intelligence pain points. This video is all about best practice analyzer. With 3 lines of code in a Fabric notebook, I can instantly evaluate every single measure in my semantic model, even if it's thousands of different measures. What's even cooler is that it also evaluates the model's relationships. It also evaluates the model's performance, formatting, maintenance. And here's the kicker too. I can use Best Practice Analyzer to evaluate every single model in my entire tenant. And here's how it's done. All right, let's get right into the demo. So here I have a simple notebook, a Fabric notebook that I created. Step number 1, we're installing Semantic Link Labs. Now I'll go ahead and leave a description, or I'll leave a link of the GitHub repo in the description below, describing all the different functionalities of this library. There are so many different cool features within this library, but for now I'm just focusing on BPA Analyzer. All right, so after this is installed, I can go ahead and literally pass in the names of my semantic models in my workspace. Now this is my workspace here in the YouTube channel, and I downloaded these semantic models from Microsoft.com. They're free samples. Now I have these 2 semantic models, and that's what we're gonna run the BPA, the Best Practice Analyzer, on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this cell. All right, and after 24 seconds, we're literally completed, and this is the Best Practice Analyzer output. So here's the layout of the results. We have DAX expressions. So basically how it works is we have the severity ranked by item, and here it will go ahead and describe every single measure that violated a best practice rule. Now this rule, for example, they use the divide function for division. So I think this will run into an error if there's a division by 0. It describes the specific measure that it's on. And then we have all sorts of other different sections. We have error prevention, we have formatting, maintenance, performing. We can go dig a level deeper as to the documentation on the specific rule that was violated in the Best Practice Analyzer. So a really good use case for the Best Practice Analyzer is that if you've ever been offloaded with a semantic model that somebody else built, you have no idea how it was constructed, you have no idea about the lower level details, the logic, if the measures were built properly, so on and so forth. This is a great first step to doing a quick analysis of saying, hey, where are my gaps, where are the faults, what best practices were not adhered to. The best part about this is that the Best Practice Analyzer is only the very beginning of Semantic Link. Stick around and watch some of my other videos to see the next steps on how we can go ahead and use Semantic Link, connect the semantic layer with the Fabric environment via notebook.